let's see how to make table borders bold in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our table ready. Now let's say that within this table, we want to emphasize some certain lines and make them thicker. So for example, we want this top portion right here to be thicker. What we can do is click on those particular cells. Now click on Table Design and click on Border Painter. Now you'll see that our cursor has now changed to that of a paintbrush. And what you can do to make the borders thicker is change it to a thicker style and make sure that you choose your border color. So let's make it remain on black, and our border style right here, let's remain a solid one. Now let's go ahead and click our borders that we want to emphasize. And as you can see, whenever I click these borders, they directly apply to the document and makes our borders thicker or bold. And that is how you can make your borders bold in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.